Hey there, and welcome to Maker Garage 101. If you're just getting started setting up your workshop or garage space, this is your series. This is Start Here, Maker Garage Setup 101. In this first video, it's where everything begins. Whether you're starting from a blank garage, a cluttered space, or even a corner of a room, you've already taken the most important step, deciding to build something for yourself. You don't need a giant budget, you don't need every tool in the catalog. What you do need is a plan, and that's what this series is all about. We're going to walk through everything, step by step, from an empty space to a working garage shop. By the end of this six-part series, you'll have a rock-solid workbench that fits your needs, smart tool storage that keeps things accessible, lighting that helps you see clearly and work safely, a list of essential tools to get started, and most importantly, your first project built in your new space. But before we start cutting wood or organizing pegboards, let's zoom out and talk about your goals. Ask yourself this: what kind of work do you want to do here? Woodworking, electronics, repairs, crafting, maybe a little of everything? Your answers will shape the choices we make in every episode. Also, how much space do you really have? And how much of it can you actually use? Some folks have a two-car garage, others have half of one wall. Some work around cars or storage boxes. Some are in basements or spare rooms. Wherever you're starting, that's okay. This isn't about building the perfect shop. It's about building your shop, one step at a time. Here's a simple way to look at your space before we go any further. Workbench zone, where most of the action happens. Tool storage zone, where your hand tools and power tools live. Lighting and power, how well you can see and where the outlets are. Open floor, space for standing, rolling carts, or maneuvering materials. Projects and materials, where your supplies or active builds go. You don't need fancy software. A tape measure, a sketch pad, and honest answers are enough. Here's the deal. No one starts with a dream shop. You build it, slowly, thoughtfully, one shelf and one screw at a time. And guess what? That's the fun part. Every change you make, every little improvement, makes the space feel more like yours. And when it's yours, you want to be there. You want to build. In this series, we're going to build with intention. I'll walk you through my own shop, share tips from experience, and show examples that work in real life, not just Pinterest boards. Here's what's coming next. Episode 2. Build the bench. We'll build the heart of the shop, your workbench. Mobile or fixed, tall or low, with storage or without. You'll get answers, examples, and even downloadable plans. Episode 3. Add tool storage. Tool walls, rolling carts, drawers, French cleats, pegboards. We'll figure out a system that works for you, because time spent looking for tools is time not spent making. Episode 4. Improve lighting. Lighting is more than just seeing clearly. It's about accuracy, safety, and comfort. We'll show low-cost ways to upgrade your lighting and how placement makes all the difference. Episode 5. Essential tools. You don't need 100 tools to get started. I'll show you the core tools every maker should have and how to pick quality over quantity. Episode 6. First project. We'll put your new shop to work with a fun, functional build that uses your tools, bench, and storage. You'll learn by doing and gain confidence with every cut. I've made mistakes. I've built things I never used. I've rearranged my shop 5 times trying to get it just right. And that's okay, because every shop evolves with the person using it. That's why I made this series, for folks who want to build smart from the start. Not perfect, not fancy, just smart, simple, and solid. So if you're ready to stop waiting and start making, this is where it begins. Grab a notebook, take some measurements, snap a few photos of your space, then jump into episode 2, Build the Bench. You don't need it all figured out, you just need to start. Let's build your shop together. Subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. Check the playlist below for all 6 episodes and drop a comment. Tell me what kind of work you want to do in your garage. I'd love to hear your plan.